Hey, it's Rachel with DragonFly, and I'm going to show you how to connect your account to your local association. First, click the Get Started button on the Today screen. Then you'll be prompted to choose your role. If you work for an association, you will choose Staff and then Other Staff. Next, type your association name into the search bar and select your association from the list. Then click Join. If you're the first person to access your association, it will take about 1 business day for the DragonFly team to verify your identity and give you administrative access. You'll receive a message from us when that happens, notifying you of approval. If you're not the first person to access your association, you'll see a list of people at your association who can approve you. Once that person approves you, you'll receive a message from us notifying you of approval.